Hi, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and we learn German now with music. And today I have a quite nice song. It's called Haus am See of Peter Fox from 2008, 2008. So it's actually not so old. And now I will give you a little bit more information about the song and how you can improve your German with the song. First of all, we have a picture here of Peter Fox. No, he's called Peter Fox. Also, you can say it in German, Peter Fox. No, and he was born in Berlin in 1971. And he has an interesting mixture because he mixes reggae and hip hop. Okay, and he is actually also the lead singer of the really famous Berlin band Seed. No, the Seed is quite special because they have much more than 10 members. No, mehr als 10 Mitglieder. Okay, and what you can learn with the song. So let's see. Quite interesting because we already learned in one song that in first person, ich habe, we actually take away the I, we say ich hab. The same thing happens in plural when we have, for example, kommen. No? Here we have an example, alle kommen vorbei. Everybody comes by. Okay, so that's actually from kommen. No? And there the I disappears, and it's quite frequent that people do this. Okay, so don't look for the I. There is no I. Alle kommen vorbei. Okay. And the song will show you a little bit things about life and the world. It's a quite positive song in the end, no? I think, if you get the right message, no? Because it has a message. And in the song we will see a lot of prepositions. It's every time nice to see preposition and good example, no? So then we will get better and better with those things because prepositions are quite tricky. So what is my favorite part of the song? My favorite part is Ich muss mal weg. Ich muss mal weg, kenn jede Taube hier beim Namen. No? I have to go because I know every door, no, every bird by his name. Okay, so quite nice because I need to change. I need to change my life because I know everything too well here, so I want to see something new. So this is actually the message of this one. And here we see that normally we need to say ich muss mal weg with an L. But we don't say it. No, we can say also ich muss mal weg. And the other one is also kenn jede Taube hier beim Namen. Ich kenne. No, ken. No, we just shorten it up. No, quite useful to know. And in the song, like I told you before, you will have good examples. So, which songs are quite famous of Peter Fox? First of all, alles neu, everything new. And the next one, Stadtaffe. Quite funny title of a song because it means city monkey. And maybe the most famous song of Seed is Dickes B. Fat, no, B. No? B stands for Berlin. Okay, so it's a song about the city Berlin. Quite nice song, so you can check it out as well. Okay, so now how you learn German with this song. First of all, I show you in my course the official video and then also a video with the subtitles. And then you practice actively all the lyrics in Quizlet until you master every single word. And in the end, you are able to sing the song wherever and whenever you want. No? And that's also an important thing. Try to repeat and repeat because everything you learn is by repetition. So I hope that you enjoy the song and I see you next time with another song. Bye bye.